Hey, Mickey. Oh, hey, Tweety Bird. Hey, I hope Sylvester wants to join a magical event. Oh, yeah. Hey, Tweety Bird. Hey, hey, you want to join a magical event, Putty Tad? Sure, I do. Where's. Oh, it's okay, Mickey. It's just Sylvester. He wants to join a magical event. Oh, yeah. You are Sylvester? Yeah. Say, you remember Emma Webster? Yeah, Granny. Her name's Emma Webster. Emma Webster? Wow, that's amazing. Speaking of amazing, the windmill's spinning. Let's go. Here we are. Let's listen for a sound. This came over there. Let's go. Ugh. Look at that. Would you look at that? Where is it from? Suffer and succotash. Those are animals. Wow, suffering and succotash. Those animals from tigers, penguins, snakes, elephants, flamingos, butterflies, tortoises, giraffes, and frogs. Yeah. What do you think, Sylvester? It's super! That reminds me of Noah's Ark. Exactly! Say, I hope the windmills stop spinning. That's good idea, Tweet.
You're on YouTube.
Come on. Say, wanna go on a mission with the little Einsteins? Suffer from a succotash. Sure, Mickey and Tweety. Let's go.